Hello and welcome to Learning English with Stephen. My name is Stephen Green and this is a 2-minute wonder in which I tell you about a phrase or an expression in 2 minutes. The expression I'd like to look at today is, has the cat, meow, got your tongue? Have you ever met somebody and they're very quiet, they just don't talk? Or have you ever been in a situation where you don't know what to say and you just sit in the corner and you don't say anything? In this circumstance, you could say to somebody, has the cat got your tongue? We use this to ask politely why somebody is being so quiet. I have no idea why we use cat. Maybe the cat likes to steal tongues. I don't know. But this is the phrase that we use. Has the cat got your tongue? Use this expression yourself when you meet somebody who's very quiet. Thank you for your time. Every week I try to give you another 2-minute wonder. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. You can also find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere using English with Stephen. Thank you very much. See you next week. Bye bye.